In this video, I will tell you how to stake Ethereum using MetaMask with Rocketpool. So first, you need to fund your MetaMask wallet. Before using Rocketpool, make sure your MetaMask wallet is connected to Ethereum mainnet and has enough ETH for the amount you want to stake, along with the required gas fees. Next, you need to connect your wallet to Rocketpool. Open the official Rocketpool staking website and click the Connect Wallet button. A Connect a Wallet window will appear, and if MetaMask is installed, it will be detected automatically. Select MetaMask and approve the connection. Once connected, the ETH balance from your wallet will be available inside the Rocketpool application. Now you need to choose how much ETH you want to stake. After your wallet is connected, your wallet address will appear at the top of the Rocketpool page. Go to the staking section and enter the amount of ETH you want to deposit, such as 1.0 ETH. As you type, the interface will automatically calculate how much RETH you will receive based on the current exchange rate. It will also update the transaction details, including the estimated gas fee and the current APR. After entering the amount, click the Stake button. MetaMask will immediately open a confirmation window showing the transaction details. Review the amount of ETH you are staking, the estimated gas fee, and the total transaction cost. Make sure everything looks correct before continuing. When you are ready, click the Confirm button in MetaMask to submit the transaction to the Ethereum blockchain. Finally, after the transaction is confirmed, your ETH will be staked and you will receive RETH. If the RETH balance does not appear automatically in MetaMask, open the Tokens tab and select Import Tokens. Paste the official RETH contract address from the Rocketpool website, and MetaMask will automatically recognize the token information. Click Add Custom Token, then Import Tokens, and your ETH balance will be visible in your wallet. That's how you stake Ethereum using MetaMask with Rocketpool. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.